Kia ora, no mate, how to make it, what hard pie. Welcome to Invercargil. For your safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Be careful when opening the overhead lockers as items could fall out. It's now safe for transport functions and your electronic devices to be turned back on. However, these devices must not be used when crossing the tarmac. Please also ensure to follow the clearly marked path to the terminal building. Do take into some bikes, use the handrail if you need help moving fast. We hope you enjoyed your flight with us this morning at Invercargil. Thanks for flying with New Zealand. From all the team on board, look forward to seeing you. I'm Northern Phone with Mark Taylor.
Hi guys, so we're visiting the eHaze hardware and we have heaps of motorbikes in here. That's 1978 Yamaha 750cc. And that's 1973 350cc. It's 1960. Harley Davidson. Oh, they got heaps of vintage motorbikes in here. They are still intact and it really looks great. And this one. They also have here the vintage tools like these carpentry tools. Wow! Yeah, heaps of them. It's pretty cool to look. Some of them are planer, chisel, square, handsaw, oh heaps. And also we have here the vintage machinery, like this stuff. They have heaps of cool and vintage stuff in here. But the main thing that we are here is to find out the original motorbike of Burt Monro. And that is the replica of the case of Burt Monro's bike. It looks really cool. And look at that. That's the two original Indian motorbike of Burt Monro. It's so nice feeling to see this 1936 motorbike of famous guy. And that one, this is the original case of the motorbike that they use in the movie. It is pretty cool. And don't you know guys that who is the driver of this one in the movie? It's Sir Anthony Hopkins. Yes, he is the one who played the main character of Herbert James Monro. You see the original jacket, the leather jacket, and this helmet. And these are the original stuff of Burt Monro. And the bag, the travel bag. Yeah, this is the personal thing of Burt Monro. And these are some other stuff, trophies and medals. They also have here this vintage 3-wheel motorbike. You get heaps of vintage stuff in here. And you will not believe that this hardware is, you can enter here for free. But inside is the most popular stuff, just like Burt Monro stuff, motorbikes. Check that one. That's for toddler motorbikes. Pretty cute, eh? And we also find out where Burt Monro's graves are. So it's not far from here. So we're gonna drive in there. It's about 5 minutes from here. It's in Eastern Cemetery. So yeah, we're just going there. Hi guys, we are here now in Eastern Cemetery where Herbert Monro buried.
There.
So that's his real name, Herbert Burt James Monro.
World fastest Indian.
The world's fastest Indian motorbike. So the arrow is there. Will be here somewhere. There. So we're here now, and I can't believe that I'm standing in front of the grave of the famous guy in New Zealand. So James
Sylvie's son.
Herbert James Monro. Actually gonna try to check this one. It's pretty cool. Those names are the family member of Herbert Monro. And this is the Eastern Cemetery here in Invercargil, where the grave of Burt Monro is here. I'm so grateful that I've been here. And for some, yes, you can visit his grave. And I hope you like this video, guys. See you next time. Bye.